pretty big crash footage right now.
Just don't break off the strap on.
Is it recording? Yeah. Nice. Okay, boys and girls, got this puppy started. I've already crashed my other buddy's KTM, so for the first time I've got some marks on my leathers, but hey, that's what Supermoto is about. His tire pressure wasn't right. It's that KTM right there, and she's a little cold. I know what you guys are thinking. Man, Snowcat crashed his buddy's bike. I am remorseful, I feel bad, but my buddies tell me ride hard, have fun, enjoy. These bikes are designed to crash, which they are. They're lightweight with crash protection. It's not like a street bike at all in any ways. There's no fairings or things like that to get damaged. They're designed to crash, if that kind of makes sense. Anyways, with this riding here, you can see I'm a little bit nervous, a little bit slow, not as confident, which makes sense. I just went down. Anyways, watch it again, and what I think is the unthinkable happens again. It is cold out here today. So keeping heat in the tires is difficult. I know I'll get a lot of questions of where I've been, what I've been up to. Guys, when I work so much right now, coming home and then wanting to make videos, it's kind of like I don't really want to. It's a really weird feeling. I think it's creator burnout. I had it, a YouTube channel for so long, and I think finally I hit what they call creator burnout, and it's definitely something that hit me. So I took a couple months off there, just kind of relaxed. I'm gonna try and make some videos now that it's wintertime, a little bit slower for me. But it's okay to be able to come and go from YouTube. I know there's the pressures of always having to make a video every day and the content and this and that, but man, it's so demanding. It is so much work. Having a YouTube channel with that many subscribers, I feel like I'm letting you guys down, but boy oh boy is it a lot of work. But I have so much content I want to get out and finish from the last year and a bit, so I'm gonna try my best now. And here's my first gift to you, a little oopsie. This is so much fun. I'm just being like a nervous bitch out there.
It takes getting used to.
No, because I crashed. Oh, I'm just like, eh.
It'll go away as it warms up.
Yeah. I'm being a little bitch.
Oh, wait until you go in the dirt and drown.
Yeah, I'll be not doing too much dirt. I tell you that.
Holy fuck.
It's official. I want to do Supermoto next year for sure. Because it is so fun. There we go. Woo! Thank God. Nice! Got that one on film.
Slid on his butt.
I think I lost the front again.
Front washed.
Sorry, buddy.
Cool, man.
Oh, we all crashed. That was fun.
Oh, this thing's broken now.
No way.
Yeah, this thing's broken. Oh, I lost my battery.
Oh, that's what happened.
The battery's out.
I was like,
Oh, I had a great slide. Like,
Well, the footage is gonna be good. I guess I don't know if maybe it didn't save.
hopefully, the battery popped out.
You got it on that though.
Yeah. I turned it off. Yeah.
No, it's not. It's recording right now.
Is it recording? Okay. With my second crash now happening. Gotta be easy.